This delicious summer salad combines protein-rich lentils, crunchy cucumbers, sweet corn, spicy red onions, and crunchy nuts. Start by cooking 1 cup of green lentils. While they're cooking, you can start preparing the other vegetables. Combine 1 cup of sweet corn on the cob. Dice up 1 large English cucumber. Add the cucumber to the bowl of corn. Dice up 1/4 cup red onion and a 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes and add to the bowl. You can use a 1/4 cup of fresh dill or an 1/8 cup of dried dill. Combine a 1/2 cup of mixed nuts. I used walnuts plus slivered almonds and add to the bowl. For the dressing, you're going to need 1 lemon, your favorite mustard, some kind of balsamic vinegar, garlic powder, maple syrup, and tahini. And I saved a little bit of the juice from the sun-dried tomatoes. So juice 1 lemon, add a tablespoon of maple syrup and balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of tahini, and some salt and pepper. Shake well. Drain the lentils when done and rinse immediately with cold water to stop them from cooking further. Combine all the ingredients that are in the bowl, add the cooked lentils, and toss some more. Then drizzle your well-shaken dressing all over your salad. Combine well to evenly distribute the dressing and chill before serving.